Welcome back. I sort of went to 15 minutes, and so I had to upload the first one. So I'm gonna go back to what I was talking about the late games. I'll just reiterate them again. The Chargers will take on the Rams at LA Stadium in LA at the LA Coliseum Stadium in LA. And I think the Rams have the edge in this one because they got a great defense and they played 2 great games already. The Bears will take on the Cardinals at Phoenix Stadium in Arizona. And I feel the Bears are going to win this one on the road because the Cardinals have been struggling the past 2 weeks, and I just feel that the Bears have the edge in this one. The Dallas Cowboys will play the Seattle Seahawks in Seattle, and I feel the Seahawks are not going to want to go to 0-3, but the Cowboys want to win and go to 3-0. But I feel that the Seahawks have the edge in this one, with it being on at their home stadium. So I think the Seahawks are going to take it. All right, your Sunday night game this next Sunday, the New England Patriots will play the Detroit Lions in Detroit at Ford Field Stadium in Detroit. And I feel the Patriots are going to blow out the Lions because the Lions have struggled against the Patriots, and they have are 0-2 right now, and they have not played well the past 2 weeks. They have not fared well. They have come up short. And last but not least, to round out the week 3 of the NFL, your Monday night game, the Steelers and the Bucks. And I think it is in Tampa Bay because Pittsburgh has played the first 2 at home. I think it is going to be. Actually, no. I think it's in Pittsburgh. It's in Pittsburgh. So the Steelers are not want to go to 2-1, and the Bucks are 2-0, and they're going to want to go to 3-0. But I think it's in Pittsburgh, and I'm going to go with the Steelers on this one because I can't go against the home team on a Monday night. So I got to go with the Steelers on this one. So that's just the bottom line right there. I just have to go with the Steelers. So that's week 3 of the NFL. Those are all the games this week, the early and late games, and Sunday and Monday night game in the NFL. And now getting back to the Browns and Jets, that is going to kick off week 3 on Thursday at 8:20 on NFL Network. I feel whichever quarterback they start, either Tyrod Taylor or Baker Mayfield, they need to not be so conservative. Baker Mayfield can do it. He has the way of really running the pocket and making passes. And Taylor makes passes, but he's got to not be conservative. He has to find a man that open, take chances, throw a Hail Mary, try anything, have a good running game. The offense and defense, offense especially, needs to step it up. They need to do that. Defense, you had a great game again. Keep it up. Got to have a good running game. You got to find ways to score in this game on Thursday because I feel we're going to win this game 17-16, and a lot of other sources feel the same way. And I think fans just want to see the Browns finally win a game and snap this winless / losing streak. Now, and I just feel that Hugh Jackson says that they know what they have to do, and they're gonna do. He says we're gonna do everything we can to win this game Thursday night because we want to win. And getting back to the Browns releasing Josh Gordon on Monday and trading him to the New England Patriots for a 5th-round pick. I thought that was a good move on the Browns because Gordon was just not a reliable player for the team. He had been suspended, and his suspension, multiple suspensions from the NFL because of his drug addiction and issues, and he was in rehab several times. And I am not surprised that this happened because I had a feeling they were going to be releasing him. That they were going to release him sooner or later. I had a feeling that they were going to. Excuse me for just a second. All right, now we're back. I had a feeling they were going to release him sooner or later, and I just feel that they had that they were going to do it, and I released him. And this fifth round pick, I think, is going to be a good move. And we got a wide receiver for him. I think it's Randy Schuster. I think that's what we got. Randy Schuster. Check me if I'm wrong, but I think it was a good move. And now I feel that. And I feel that the Buckeyes getting off track. They're going to beat Tulane Green Wave on Saturday, and I think it's going to be a great game between them. And the Buckeyes they want to go to 4-0. They really do. And I, for one, would like to see the Buckeyes back in the national championship, but we'll have to wait and see. So, and I know the Tribe is still taking on the White Sox. It's got to be near. The game may be over, and hopefully the Tribe came away with the victory. I'll let you know, hopefully, tomorrow what I will do. And I got to tell you, and now getting back to the to NFL football talk. I feel that now with the the Eagles are going to want to win against the Eagles this week, and I feel that they are going to be out to win that game. And Carson Wentz is going to start for the Eagles this Sunday. He is, just to bring everybody up to speed on that. I just want to let everybody know that. And from last night's Monday night game, you might have known, I have to tip my hat to Mitch Trubisky. He just really had just a great night. He really, really did. And he really just had a stupendous night. He had oh, I have it. I know. He just had a stupendous night last night. He was 25 to 34, 200 yards, 2 TDs, and 2 interceptions. And Russell Wilson didn't do too bad for the Seahawks. He was 22 to 36, 226 yards, 2 TDs, and 1 interception. But yeah, it was just a great game between to round out week 2 against the Bears and Seahawks last. That was a great game to end week 2 of NFL football. And I did unfortunately lose my picks again. I was 7-8 and 1, which made me go to 0-2-2, and my brother-in-law was 9-7-1, and he went to 2-0-2. So hopefully I will try to win my picks this week when I do them, hopefully tomorrow. And I must getting back, and now I gotta tell you, I feel that Antonio Callaway is going to be starting this week will be playing on Thursday night, and he had a really good game last week, and I hope he really steps it up and has a great game again. And Myles Garrett will also be playing, and he could have a breakout year. You never know. And I just feel that, and Jarvis Landry, he really stepped it up good. And hopefully he does well against the Jets. He does the same thing what he did last week. So, and also Carlos Hyde as well. So let's hopefully the Browns will get the victory. And I feel that they are going to beat the Jets, and I've said before, and I'll say it again, 17-16 on Thursday night. Well, that is going to wrap it up for this edition of Scott Sports 101. And I will be back, hopefully, back tomorrow with another broadcast. And Thursday night, I'll have the Thursday Night Football pregame show before the game and postgame show immediately following the game. But until then, be a team. Always remember, be a team player each and every day. in every way possible. So long, everybody. 3, 2, 1. I'm done.